The world as we knew it is gone. Cities lie in ruins, resources are scarce, and danger lurks around every corner. This is the new reality, and survival depends on one thing: being prepared. In this new world, the right tools and knowledge mean the difference between life and death. We're going to delve into the top 20 items that could be your lifeline in this post-collapse world. Remember, survival is about adapting, improvising, and never giving up. In a survival situation, clean water is non-negotiable. Dehydration can cripple you faster than almost anything else. Water purification tablets are small but mighty lifesavers. They kill harmful bacteria and viruses, making even the murkiest water drinkable. We'll look at how these tablets have been used by explorers and survivalists for decades, proving their worth time and again. Fire provides warmth, cooks food, purifies water, and keeps predators at bay. It's a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. A fire starter kit is essential for getting a blaze going, even in damp conditions. We'll show you real-life examples of how a simple fire starter can make all the difference in a survival scenario. Remember, a small spark can ignite a powerful flame of survival. A good multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. You never know when you'll need a knife, pliers, or even a screwdriver. It's essential for repairs, building shelter, and preparing food. Remember, resourcefulness is key in survival situations. If you can't find a multi-tool, don't worry. You can improvise with a sturdy knife and some basic tools fashioned from your surroundings. Survival situations can change in a heartbeat, and temperature drops can be deadly. An emergency blanket, small and lightweight, can trap your body heat and keep hypothermia at bay. Experts agree, it's a small item with a huge impact on survival. Pack one in your kit. It could be the difference between life and death. In a crisis, information is power. A portable solar charger can be a lifeline, allowing you to power up essential devices like your phone or radio, keeping you connected to the outside world. We've seen in countless news stories how vital communication can be in emergencies. A solar charger means you're not reliant on the grid, giving you a crucial advantage. In any survival situation, injuries are a real possibility. A well-stocked first aid kit can be the difference between weathering a crisis and succumbing to it. We're talking serious life-saving potential here. Listen to the experts. They all emphasize how crucial a first aid kit is for making it out alive. Securing food is a top priority in a survival scenario. Fishing gear, a simple hook and line, can be a lifesaver. There are many brands available, each with pros and cons, but even a makeshift setup can put food on your plate. Remember, improvisation is key in the wild. When darkness falls, a reliable flashlight can be your best friend. It not only illuminates your surroundings, but can also signal for help. Remember, conserving battery life is crucial. Use your flashlight sparingly, relying on moonlight when possible, and know the best techniques for signaling SOS. In a crisis, information is crucial. A hand crank radio, no batteries needed, can be your lifeline to the outside world, giving you updates, warnings, and maybe even a little boost to morale. Remember, knowledge is power. If you can't get your hands on a proper radio, don't worry. With a bit of ingenuity, you can even fashion a rudimentary receiver from scrap. We all need fuel to survive. Canned goods, they're lifesavers, long shelf life packed with energy, a real morale booster when things get tough. Remember, proper food and hydration can be the difference between surviving and, well, not surviving. Prioritize non-perishable items that provide essential calories and nutrients. A good blade. It's your best friend in the wild. A reliable hunting knife can help you build shelter, prepare food, and, if necessary, defend yourself. It's a vital tool for any survivor. Choose a sturdy blade with a comfortable grip, and make sure you know how to use it safely and effectively. We're in a true survival situation, people. Clean water is non-negotiable. A durable water container, a canteen, a metal flask, anything that doesn't leak can be the difference between life and death. Remember, dehydration can set in fast, and a reliable water container means you can collect and store this precious resource, keeping you in the fight. The elements can be brutal. We've got to be prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws at us. Thermal clothing, layers, they're your first line of defense against hypothermia. When the temperature plummets, these items will trap precious body heat and keep you alive. Remember, staying warm is as vital as staying hydrated. In a survival situation, getting found can be the ultimate goal. A signal mirror is a lifesaver, literally. This small but mighty tool can reflect sunlight for miles, attracting attention from potential rescuers, whether it's a passing aircraft or a search party on the ground. Trust me, this little piece of kit can be your beacon of hope in the wilderness. After a collapse, knowing where to go and how to get there is crucial. A map and compass can be the difference between finding your way to safety or getting hopelessly lost. Remember, technology might fail, but a compass always points north. It's about using your instincts, your resourcefulness, and these vital tools to navigate the unknown. Rope is like a good friend in a survival situation. Strong, reliable, and always there to lend a hand. You can use it to build shelter, climb, even set traps for food. I've relied on rope countless times in the wild, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. It's about adapting, improvising, and using what you have to survive. Shelter is essential in a survival scenario. A tent provides protection from the elements. From the biting wind to the pouring rain, you need a place to rest, to recover, to plan your next move. There are many types of tents, each with their pros and cons. It's about finding what works best for your needs, for your environment. All right, we've made it to the top 20. This one is a real lifesaver, folks, a sleeping bag. Out in the elements, conserving body heat is critical. A good sleeping bag can be the difference between a good night's sleep and a dangerous case of hypothermia. Remember, surviving the night is just as important as surviving the day. Out in the wilderness, bugs can be a real pain, literally. Mosquitoes and other biting insects can carry diseases and leave you with itchy welts. A good insect repellent can be a lifesaver. Now, if you find yourself without that trusty bottle of repellent, remember that nature provides. Crushed herbs like mint or basil can help keep those pesky critters at bay. Access to clean water is paramount to survival. A water filter is essential for removing harmful bacteria and parasites from your water source. Remember, even if water looks clear, it can still be teeming with invisible dangers. This is a must-have item for your kit, a true game changer in a post-collapse world. So there you have it, folks. The top 20 essential items for your post-collapse survival kit. From fire starters to water filters, each item plays a crucial role in ensuring your well-being in a crisis. Remember, preparation is key. Use this video as a guide to build your own survival kit, tailored to your specific needs and environment. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Take action now. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools for survival. And don't forget to subscribe for more vital survival tips and tricks. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.